This recipe brought to you by DietDoctor.com. Besides the benefits to following a keto regimen, here are some added benefits to the ingredients of this recipe. Butter may have cancer-fighting properties, promotes digestive health, may boost metabolism, high in saturated fat, and high in calories. Use in moderation. Heavy whipping cream contains choline, vitamins A, D, E, and heavy whipping cream contains choline, vitamins A, D, E, and K, helps with immune function, eye health, early brain development, metabolism, improves bone health, and contains calcium and phosphorus. Nutrition facts: 216 calories, 23 grams total fat, 1 gram total carbohydrate, 0.5 grams protein. Total time: 5 minutes. This recipe makes 1 serving. What you'll need: 1 ounce unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons instant coffee powder, 1 cup boiling water. Additional equipment: optional immersion blender. Instructions. Step 1. Place butter, spices, and instant coffee in the jar of a blender or a deep bowl to blend with an immersion blender. Step 2. Boil water and add to bowl or blender. Step 3. Blend for 20 to 30 minutes or until a fine foam is formed. Step 4. Pour into desired cup or mug. Step 5. Add a dollop of heavy cream or unsweetened whipped cream if desired. Step 6. Sprinkle cinnamon or desired garnish on top. Step 7. Serve immediately. Tip: this can be made with 1 shot of espresso or decaf coffee if desired. If you make an espresso base, simply add less water. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Enjoy!